Good morning, my name is Brad Thomas. I'm the Director for Market Product Management for SICK. Today I want to discuss standardized solutions. At SICK, we've listened to our customers and trying to understand how to make standardized solutions easier for the customer to install or to purchase. The benefits of standardized solutions, they're turnkey solutions out of the box. So you'll be able to order the device, the solution as a part number, and it comes from SICK as a standard. Standardized products means standardized frame drawings, standardized wiring diagrams. The customer could have a fleet of standardized solutions. For example, the Lector 1 box is a standardized solution. The logistics Lector array is a standardized solution, and multiple different variations of logistics Lector arrays. We're also moving standardized solutions into our ICR solutions, so our bigger solutions. So this allows the customer the ability to provide quicker access to our solutions without the need of customer project management. These standardized solutions enable the customer to tailor the solution to their needs. The ability to be able to get a quote quickly is important for our customers and for SICK. If you want to know more about standardized solutions, please email us at the link below or reach out to your SICK representative. Check out the SICK.com website. Thank you and have a great day.